sleek, polished watch glinting under studio lights on your social feed makes your brain immediately start doing the math. It looks like it belongs in a high-end boutique in Geneva, but the price tag says something else entirely. Modsera lives and breathes in this specific middle ground. This brand has mastered the art of the aesthetic. They use those clean, minimalist dials and polished stainless steel cases to grab your attention. It is a visual trap designed for the modern age of social media. You look at the photos and you see luxury. You see status. But what are you actually putting on your wrist when that box arrives at your door? This is where the line between a timepiece and a fashion accessory gets very blurry. Modsera is not trying to be the next century-old heritage house. They do not have workshops in the mountains of Switzerland with master watchmakers peering through tiny magnifying glasses. Instead, they operate in the fast-paced world of fashion branding. This is a space where how a watch looks on a Friday night matters way more than the gears turning inside of it. It is a legitimate business. You will get your watch. It is not some ghost website designed to steal your credit card info. However, you have to be honest about what you are buying. Most of these watches use third-party movements. That means the heart of the watch is likely a mass-produced component from a large manufacturer. There is nothing inherently wrong with that. It keeps the watch ticking. It tells the time. But it is not horology. It is not an investment that your grandkids are going to fight over in 50 years. The brand relies heavily on premium photography. They know exactly how to light a piece of steel to make it look like a $1,000 heirloom. When you get it in person, the weight might feel different. The finish might not have that deep, mirror-like quality of a true luxury piece. For a lot of people, that is a perfectly fine trade-off. If you just want to look sharp at a wedding or elevate your daily outfit, it does the job. You are paying for the design language. You are paying for the convenience of a style that looks expensive without the five-figure debt. But if you go into this expecting artisan craftsmanship, you are going to be disappointed. It is a fashion-forward label. Think of it like a trendy suit versus a bespoke one. Both look good in a photo, but only one is built to last a lifetime. People get caught up in the marketing buzzwords. They hear luxury and they think of heritage. Modsera is selling a vibe. They are selling a specific look that fits into a curated lifestyle. It is important to separate the marketing hype from the physical reality of the metal and glass. If you treat it as a stylish accessory to match your shoes or your car, you will probably be happy. If you treat it like a serious piece of mechanical engineering, you're looking in the wrong place. The durability reflects its status as a fashion piece. It will handle your daily commute and your social gatherings, but do not expect it to survive extreme conditions. It is built for the office and the bar, not for the rugged outdoors. In the end, it comes down to what you value. Are you buying a story, or are you buying a look? Modsera gives you the look in spades. Just do not confuse that look with the deep technical history of the world's most famous watchmakers. It is a modern solution for a modern shopper who wants to look the part without the tradition. This is the new era of consumer style, where branding is king and history is optional. You are buying the reflection of luxury, not the engine of it. And for the right price, that is exactly what some people need.